In today's video, we will be taking a look at the best dash cams you can buy. We're going to be showing you 5 amazing dash cams based on price, durability, camera quality, and more. And as usual, we have the links to all the dash cams mentioned in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. If you're looking for the smallest dash cam possible, then you'll want the Garmin Dash Cam Mini, which really is tiny and will fit comfortably out of sight behind your rearview mirror. Of course, the small size does mean the Garmin Dash Cam Mini is a pretty bare bones device. It does exactly what you expect it to do, and no more. There are no extra features here, and it lacks GPS, but it does record excellent 1080p footage, and it's very simple to use. We found it very easy to set up and use, and for under $150, we think it's difficult to fault. Number 4. Mio MiVue J60. The Mio MiVue J60 is a really neat little device with a compact body which manages to squeeze in a lot of technology. It's the sleek design that's key here, as the shape of the camera and small mount means it'll sit discreetly behind your rearview mirror. Despite its small size, the MiVue J60 has a sensor capable of capturing sharp 1080p footage at 30 frames per second with a wide 150-degree viewing angle. It's got a dedicated night mode as well, which ensures registration plates and small details are captured in most lighting conditions. The J60 not only captures clear video, it also features Wi-Fi for video playback and updating camera settings via a smartphone app, as well as GPS, which tracks your vehicle's location and speed. The MiVue J60 is packed full of safety features including advanced driving assistance system, lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system, and fatigue alert. If you decide to have these on, they can be turned off through the app. The dash cam will emit a beep if you start to drift over road markings or go over the speed limit. The device also comes with safety camera data and free data updates for the lifetime of the device, so drivers can avoid any dreaded speeding fines. That's potentially very useful, depending upon your driving style. Number 3. Thinkware F800 Pro. The Thinkware F800 is probably the dash cam that we've used for the longest amount of time, mainly because it's so low profile you just forget about it, which is kind of what you want with these devices. The F800 is fixed to your car windscreen with sticky 3M tape, and as there's no screen, you can essentially hide it behind the rearview mirror. We think that's the best place for them. The F800 comes with GPS tracking, lifetime safety camera and speed alerts, as well as safety warnings such as forward collision and lane departure awareness. Although, while these are marginally useful on dash cams with screens, they are zero use without a screen. The HD video quality is good, and the night mode, now on its 2nd generation, is very impressive. It's surprisingly sharp, and there's next to no noise. There's built-in Wi-Fi so you can connect to your smartphone, although we did experience some connection issues and it looks very dated. Time-lapse mode, which records your parked car for 48 hours. That's great if you're worried about the vehicle being vandalized while left at night. That final feature requires the camera to be hardwired into the car. We think that's what you'd want to do with the Thinkware. It's not too difficult and also the neatest looking option, freeing up the 12-volt port. The most interesting capability bundled in with the F800 Pro is Thinkware's new cloud service. This includes the ability to get notified when your car leaves a geo-fenced area or when an impact occurs to your vehicle. You can also use it to locate your vehicle when parked. These are potentially very useful features, but we found it very difficult to get them working. And from reading other online reviews, we're not the only ones. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 66W. This fantastic little dash cam from Garmin earns second place on this list with good image quality, a number of extra features, and actually quite attractive design. It's one of the most compact cameras here, so takes up less windscreen space, and resembles a GoPro, making it the most attractive as well. That might seem like a funny thing to say, but it won't look out of place in a Range Rover or Mercedes, while others on the list will. Despite being small, the Garmin 66 manages to pack in plenty of extra features, such as GPS and smartphone integration with the Garmin Verb app. There's also lane departure and forward collision warning, as well as speed camera warnings. The former two are somewhat less useful than the latter. The video footage is great as well, recording 1440p with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. The video quality might not be as good as the Nextbase 522GW, but it's good enough. The mount is excellently designed with a small 3M magnet mount, making removal and placement of the dashcam incredibly easy. The downside is a slightly fiddly menu system, which is controlled by 4 buttons on the side and the inconsistent voice control. Number 1. Nextbase 522GW. The 522GW is a massively impressive dashcam, which not only nails the basics, such as recording outstanding image quality, but also offers features never before seen in a dashcam. It's the first dashcam available in the UK with Alexa built in, so you can play music, find parking, control smart home devices, and make calls whenever you want, without taking your eyes off the road. We found it surprisingly useful. There's also impressive safety features such as Emergency SOS, which will alert the emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. This feature is potentially life-saving and is one of the main reasons we rate it as the best dashcam in 2019. That's not all, however. The F22GW also packs an intelligent parking mode that records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. It's not just the impressive list of features that means this is the best dashcam, however. As we previously mentioned, the Nextbase 522GW is also a master when it comes to the basics. It records incredibly crisp, perfectly lit 1440p video. The click-and-go mount is a really neat solution, and its smartphone app, My Nextbase, is the most polished experience we've encountered. Thanks for watching, and help us reach 100,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button below. You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag #tech. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube, and we'll also contact winners directly through the comment they left.